future bad words and inappropriate stuff. And so,
Okay.
there.
We got my boy Kieran.
I like yo-yos.
We got my boy
Stop all those potatoes.
Quinn.
Mr. Q.
And you got your boy
Colin.
Skinny Penis.
Okay.
He actually has a small one.
So
Yeah,
it's
you wanna
actually
see it?
3 a.m. No, shut up, guys. It's actually 3 a.m. And as you can see by the VHS aesthetic, I'm doing this with my CI83 calculator.
One of the
I'm filming this with my calculator, guys, because it looks so horrible. And so
guys.
today we're going to be spinning fidget spinners at 3 a.m.
And I know exactly.
Let me go and get the fidget spinners.
Okay,
Here's the fidget spinner. And where's my $10,000? Right? Do you guys want $10,000?
I want a kid.
I want to kill myself.
I want
To you, it will be used to buy potatoes.
Okay, that's nice.
$20 I'll jump on.
Spinning fidget spinners at 3 a.m. in sleeping bags and stuff.
Like,
Yeah.
Okay, that was a video, guys.
no, don't end it.
Why not end it?
Yay.
Okay, now it's ending.